Each pen costs $1.35 and 5 books cost $2.40. How much do 10 pens and 10 books cost? Alright, so this is actually a money question involving multiplication. So we have one pen costing $1.35, right? We need to jump to 10 pence. And how do we do that? We times by 10. $1.35 times by 10. Without a calculator, you can also do this because you just need to move the decimal to the right once. Okay, why once? Because there's only 1 0. That's why. So it's $13.50 for 10 pens. And then we talk about the books next. Okay, 5 books cost $2.40. And then we go to 10 books next. So how do we get there? From 5 to 10, we have to times by 2. So $2.40 times by 2, that would be $4.80. And the total cost will be $13.50 plus $4.80. Final answer for this question, $18.30.